Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to learn on the triple warmer, some of the key meridian or acupressure points that can help us to improve our health. Okay, the first point is started off from the side of the four fingers. This point is very good for us when we have stomachache, diarrhea, especially for children. Okay, so gently massage on this point for 5 minutes for both hands, and it will be much more better. Okay, and then when we're moving down to where the fourth and fifth finger meet over at this point here. Okay, this point it is very good when we are very angry. We're angry until to a point that all of a sudden we can't hear. Okay, so just massage on this point, it will be able to release off any excessive fire that is induced because of that. And do for both sides as well. And sometimes that we will feel we have cramp at our legs or our arms or any area. When we feel that there is cramp, so we just move a little more in. Okay, so in between the fourth and fifth fingers, the bones, okay, there is a point that can help to relieve off the cramp syndrome. And when we go down further along our forefinger, we go down to where it meets with our wrist. There's a space here, so there is acupressure points. This acupressure point is very good for anyone who has a recurrence of backaches that is due to the spinal issues or because of the past injuries. Okay, so it will be useful. But for example, if we accidentally sprain our waist area, then this point won't be of much use. And for while we are massaging for ourselves or massaging with others, always have the intention that while we are massaging, we need to keep ourselves calm and focus on what we are doing, together with deep breath, okay, and it will be much more effective. So from here, I'm going downwards. We put 2 fingers below, along the same line. Okay, so this point is very good for any pain that we have, like we have a neck pain, the joint pains. This point is very good to relieve off the pain itself. So we may wonder how our body knows that which pain are we going to cure. So what we need to do is really to have the intention as we are doing it, that we are going to relieve off the tensions from our body, from this particular part of our body while we are massaging for ourselves or while we are massaging for others, with our intention right, okay, and with the correct focus, the effect will be much more significant. So let's say we have accidentally sprained our ankle or we feel pain. Okay, so let's say it's on the left side, then we'll do on the right side. We always do on the opposite side itself. Okay, and the last point that we're going to introduce here is it goes all the way down to our elbow. Okay, where there's a space here. This space, this place over here, there's an acupressure point that is very good for our shoulder. And if there's any shoulder pain itself, it will be very useful. Okay, so do remember that whenever we are going to do any massage, whether for ourselves or for our loved ones, is so remember to do it with a good intention. Settle ourselves down first before we start the massage session, and try to rub our palms with good energy, with heat first. While our palm is warm already, then we start the massage. Okay, and do it with deep breathing, with focus, and go on telling ourselves that we are going to relieve off the tension to this particular area itself. And the massage session will be much more effective than we just press and watch television or do other things or our hope that this will help. Okay, if in any point in time we have forgotten where is each of the points, okay, so it's okay, no need to worry, you can revisit the video. If not, then just remember it started off from the side of our forefinger and just go downwards. Remember the lines of how it goes, and we just press along this meridian channel line, and we'll be able to find the point that we need. The point that we need is always the point that when you press down, we have the sensation for that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and do share it with your family members and do it for them too. Okay, thank you so much. Namaste.